Have something really exciting to show you. This is the Frontier Smiles Gallery of Smiles. Now, this is our latest version. I've seen doctors use this in action across the country in their consultations, and it's something that'll help you increase your case acceptance. So what I've seen is people use these pages specifically because what this is it shows your patient how veneers are made. It shows the artwork that goes into it, how intricate everything is, and it's not just a machine putting these things out there. So it gives you an opportunity to build value into what you're trying to propose to your patient as far as treatment goes. It shows the artistry, it shows the precision, it shows all the different colors that go into it to get results like this. And after that, there's lots of different cases that you can show. There's no doctor's names associated with it. Lots of beauty queens, lots of regular people, males, females, different age groups. And there may be a case in here that resonates with your patient. So it's something that you can show what they are before and what they could be after. And we've also have these personalized for you. We've got a program that's a personalized volume program where you can put your name on it. And again, I've seen dentists use this successfully by either giving it to their patients at consult, or they even put them in nail salons, hair salons, med spas that are close by. Because now anywhere where beauty or image is talked about, you want your name and the fact that you can do smiles like this with Frontier Dental Lab to be in front of that potential patient. So it's a great way to do it. We've got some special offers for you. And if you have any questions, hit one of those buttons and we'll be glad to help you.